again for this video. Magsasolve ulit tayo ng exponential problem, and ang problem naman na to is from Crowell and Selesnik, calculus with analytical geometry, page 260 and number 3 ata to, number 4. So para masolve ang problem na to is need natin mag-let u. I-let u natin ang 2x. Let u is equals to 2x du is equals to ang derivative ng 2x which is 2 dx and kunin naman natin ang dx, so dx is equals to du over 2. So which is said, pwede na tayo mag-substitute sa equation natin. Integral of e raised to 2x, the limit of 0 and 3. Ang 2x is pwede natin siya ng u, so kaya nag-let u na tayo. Let u times dx. Ang dx natin is du over 2 du over 2. So this equation is equals siya sa 1/2. Wait lang guys ha, kay hindi sanay Giberis. Okay, let's go back. This equation is equal siya sa 1/2 integral of e raised to u du, the limit of 0 and 3. So like sa previous video natin is ang e raised to u, ang integral of e raised to u du is equal siya sa e raised to u plus c. So i-kuha natin ito siya. Final answer niya, solve natin is 1/2 e raised to u, the limit of 3, tagyan ka sa 3 yan, t0. Hindi na tayo maglalagay ng plus kasi meron tayong limit. So hindi pa ito sagot natin, hindi pa ito ang final answer. Kailangan muna natin i-substitute ulit ang u sa 2x. So 1/2 e 2x 3 0. So ito, pag in-input natin ito siya sa calculator is lalabas yan, sagot is 201 201 Point ka na. Point 21. That's all. Thank you.